Hey Clashers, welcome back. So I'm in the middle of my little mini-series of getting to 2,000 trophies, but my base has been getting wiped out a lot, so I decided that I'm going to change it up a little bit and try a different setup and see if I don't get wiped out as much, because it's making it really hard to get to the 2,000 trophies right now with this setup. So here we go. This is the old base that we got right here, and the new base is called the Blizzard. And I'm going to show you the speed build right here, but here it is. Hope you like this base. Enjoy.